Are you prepared to embark on the journey of self-discovery? When seeking friends or love, our natural inclination is to look to others to fulfill and complete our lives. However, an often overlooked aspect is the importance of establishing a deep understanding of ourselves. In today's discussion, we'll explore how self-awareness and personal growth are crucial before venturing into romantic relationships. Drawing inspiration from Stoicism and other insightful perspectives, we'll uncover how knowing ourselves lays the foundation for better and happier connections. Stoicism, centered on inner peace and virtuous living, imparts valuable advice on this matter. It asserts that genuine harmony with others necessitates inner peace within ourselves. Let's embark on a journey of introspection, delving into our core values, strengths, and areas for improvement. Reflect on your life. How well do you truly comprehend yourself, your values, and your potential for growth? Building on Stoicism's central tenet of know who you are, thinkers like Seneca and Marcus Aurelius emphasize that understanding ourselves is pivotal for leading a virtuous life and fostering meaningful relationships. Pause and contemplate the significance of self-reflection. Examine your core values, acknowledge strengths, and identify areas for improvement. True self-awareness is an ongoing process, evolving with experience. Crafting your identity is akin to sculpting a statue, with each experience molding and shaping you. The goal is not to create a version of yourself for others' approval, but an authentic representation of who you are. This self-reliant approach, rooted in your values and beliefs, fosters a strong sense of character. Marcus Aurelius, a Stoic philosopher, stresses the importance of self-control in relationships. The ability to navigate impulsive desires and emotions, he argues, shapes our inner peace. Consider your actions in past relationships. How often were they impulsive, and did you later regret them? Marcus Aurelius advocates thoughtful reflection before reacting, a principle relevant in modern dating. Epicurus, another Stoic philosopher, underscores the significance of independence, both emotionally and financially. Rather than depending on external factors for happiness, cultivating self-reliance leads to a more fulfilling life. Evaluate your reliance on others for joy and financial stability. Epicurus encourages developing what's within, making relationships a choice, not a necessity. Seneca, a prominent Stoic figure, extols the role of wisdom in relationships. Wisdom goes beyond intellect. It involves applying learned principles in various life aspects, especially in romance. It guides us to seek partners based on mutual respect, understanding, and shared growth, viewing love as an opportunity for personal development. In summary, meaningful relationships stem from knowing and improving oneself first. Stoicism, alongside insights from philosophers like Marcus Aurelius, Epicurus, and Seneca, emphasizes that a strong and happy relationship with someone else begins with a positive relationship with oneself. As you navigate dating and friendships, remember that the path to love involves not just connecting with others, but also growing and maturing within yourself. Consider the role of emotional maturity, a crucial aspect in creating lasting relationships. Emotional maturity involves self-awareness, emotional regulation, empathy, and responsibility for one's happiness. These skills, combined with Stoic wisdom, prepare us for healthier, happier, and more fulfilling relationships. In conclusion, the wise approach to love and life isn't about finding someone to complete you, but about being complete on your own. Cherish your uniqueness, value your growth, and share your well-developed self with someone who aligns with your beliefs and feelings. The best love stories involve two individuals who are already complete, not two people seeking completion in each other.